Hi, I'm Lisa Jobins. I was a group business development manager for the Greater Birmingham Chambers of Commerce when I attended Keith's Sales Masterclass series back in 2021 during lockdown. Sales training is not just for those who are new to sales. When you've been in sales for a long time, you get into some really bad habits and you forget some of the fundamental basics of good selling. Not only did the series act as a good reminder and allowed me to actually refine the way I actually sell, it also gave me some fantastic pointers and strategies for dealing with different objections, and also some new pointers as well to expand my skills. So I would recommend Keith's training to anyone, regardless what level of experience you have in sales. You will come away knowing more, feeling better, approaching your sales in a way to win.